All right, y'all seen that title in the thumbnail, so you already know we doing smothered chicken and rice. Man, you're gonna love it. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Back here we have our boneless chicken breast, and right here we have some uncooked rice. It's already been washed and rinsed. Chicken broth, bell peppers, onions, garlic powder, paprika, salt, chopped garlic, black pepper, cream of chicken soup. I have some cream of onion soup mix here. Now, typically I use cream of mushroom, but I didn't have it. I had this cream of onion, so we're gonna go with it. But you can use either or, and we have some olive oil right here. So this all you need. Let's get to it. So we're gonna start off by seasoning our chicken with our salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder. And we're gonna get that baby mixed in real good. All right, so we're gonna set this aside, head over to our cooktop and continue. All right, so we're gonna start by searing our chicken, and we're gonna add some olive oil here. We're gonna bring that up to temp. And once that oil comes up to temperature, we're gonna start adding our chicken breast. And we're gonna sit in about 2 to 3 minutes per side. All right, so we're about 4.5 minutes in. We got our chicken seared like we wanted. We're just gonna remove it. Now, it doesn't have to be cooked all the way through, just so you know that. We're just getting it, we're just putting a nice sear on it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish cooking the remaining of our chicken pieces. Once I do that, we're gonna come back. All right, so we're finishing up our last batch. We're gonna go ahead and get these removed. I'm gonna add them here to a plate and let them rest, and we're going to continue. All right, so we're gonna add a little bit more olive oil in here, and we're gonna add our onions, our green peppers, and we're gonna saute these for the next 5 minutes, scraping up those little brown bits at the bottom as you go. So after 4 minutes, you wanna add your garlic. You wanna get this mixed in here for about a minute. All right, guys, so it looks like we're good. We're gonna actually turn off our heat. We're gonna move our pan, and let's go over to our cutting board. All right, so now you wanna take a large mixing bowl. You wanna add your cream of chicken soup mix, your cream of onion, or if you got cream of mushroom, you wanna add that here too. Add your chicken broth. We're gonna get this mixed in real quick. All right, next we're gonna add our uncooked rice. And we're gonna mix that till it's well blended in. All right, so it looks like we're good. All right, so now we're gonna take a baking dish, and I'm gonna spray this lightly with some cooking spray. We're gonna take our veggies, we're gonna add them here to our pan, and we're gonna spread it evenly across the bottom of the pan. Just like that. Now we're gonna take the chicken breast, and we're gonna place it on top of the veggies, just like this. And of course, I'm gonna add all that juice in there, not let no flavor go to waste. And next, we're gonna take our soup mixture and rice, and we're gonna pour it over our chicken just like this. So now we're gonna take some aluminum foil. We wanna cover this baby tightly. Keep all that flavor locked in. All right, we're gonna put this in the oven for 60 minutes until the rice is tender and the chicken is cooked thoroughly. All right, let's get this in the oven. All right, so we're about an hour in. We're gonna remove our veil. So I'm gonna do a taste test with the rice to make sure that it's where we want it. Oh man, yeah, that rice is on point. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows those flavors to, you know, mesh really well. And then we're gonna get it plated up and head into quality control. All right, so we let that baby rest for about 10 minutes. We're gonna add some green stuff to it, you know, just to brighten out some of those colors. And guys, there you have it. Smothered chicken and rice. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control. It's time to taste this baby out. Man, it smells good. All right, y'all already know quality control. We're gonna bring these groceries to the front of the congregation. Man, take a look at that. Oh man. I had almost started on it and I realized I wasn't recording. I already broke my chicken down and everything. So without further ado, I don't know what it is, but it's something about when you cook that rice and that cream of mushroom and cream chicken soup. Oh man, the flavors be on point. And y'all, I already know people gonna say, "Well, you got all that sodium in that canned chicken soup." So, just one meal. Man, take me to sodium heaven. So guys, y'all already know, you gotta add this one here to your recipes to do. So, until then, remember, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, him not a chef, him just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.